Okay, gonna do a quick review on the Illinois Industrial Tool 16-foot tape measure. I've got it. I've had it for probably a month or so. You got a hand wear. It broke on me. Not long after I got it, but it was easy to fix. I just took it, little loop on the side of the tape measure and took the loop of the handle and just made a little knot there to keep it on there. You got your standard lock. Oh, oops, backwards. Pull that and it locks. Just pull it out like you do any other, and release it. And lets it go. It's a pretty nice little tape measure. Keep on hand for home projects or I got pretty cheap. I bought it at local store called Bargain Supply. I don't remember right offhand how much it costs, but it's a pretty nice little one. Like I said, it's got the handle you can carry it on your wrist. Now you got the belt clip where you carry it around whenever you're working on building projects or whatever you may be working on. And you need a measuring tape for. And it's about the size of my hand. It's not that big. Yeah, it's not that big. It's about the size of my hand. This is Illinois Industrial tool, 16-foot tape measure.